Not too loud. No, don't scream. Wow.
The little, just needs a housekeeping over here. Just needed a woman's touch, you know.
Oh God! It almost had a deathy touch to it. Shh. Oh God, free. Here, I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do something. I want to do
Please
something.
tell me you have that.
I have all of it.
Oh God.
Here, keep recording.
Oh God. Woo.
Good, right?
Yeah. Do we have any more phone books? There's a little fire over here. The baby outgrew the mama. Not the mama. There's a teeny fiery wire in there.
About to get big. Ooh.
Not so teeny, no, no. Wait, is that pile of ash the phone books? Wait, this is, don't throw any on it, okay? Okay, this is phone books. Phone books. This is their Bible. Oh, hot, hot! Woo! I'm not. Guys, they're invited to the conflagration. Here, pour some on this.
If I pour it on that, it'll instantly catch fire.
Oh, that's right.
So just throw it on there.
Okay. One more again.
Magic.
A little fire. Really little fire.
Look, darkness turns to light.
And from the darkness came forth